Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video on my planner, and also I want to teach you some tips and tricks on how to start your own. So first of all, what is a planner and what can it be used for? So a planner is a lifestyle notebook uh, which can help you to manage everything you want. For example, some people use it as a fitness tracker. Some people use them like to manage their finances. Some use them just to track their days and plan goals for the year. Mine is kind of a general planner. And first of all, I got this one from AliExpress. It came in 4 different colors, like you can choose between pink, blue, mint green and purple. And the nice thing about this one is that it comes with a bunch of different stickers and decorations that you can use right away to make it cuter, because like not everyone has a lot of stickers and decorations. So it's nice to start with a bunch of things. So on the back it's plain pink, and the only thing I added on the cover is this cute little bow. And then, so on the front page I have all the stickers that came with a planner. I only added the pens and a picture, a personal picture, as well as some tags that I got when I bought a plush at Tokyo Disney Sea, as well as some sticky notes from Pandora that were like a free gift a few years ago. The first thing you want to start with is that you can create a dashboard page that represents you. First I got this sheet at my local craft stores and just added some stickers, my name, a ribbon, and just a few simple things. I have a return sheet that contains my personal information, like my address, my real name, my phone number. So when you lose it, like the people can see everything, like your personal information, and send it back to you. On this page right here I have some tags that I also got like when I went to Disney Sea. I have 5 dividers. One is my to-do list, second one is my budget, third one is my wish list, and then I have a monthly view and a weekly view. So first of all, the second thing that I purchased when buying this planner is printables. So I got a set from Etsy, which is really cute. I'm going to show you, and it cost me around like 10 bucks. And it's nice because when you buy it, you don't have like a copy in the mail, but you can like purchase, you can print them right when you pay, and they're undated, so you can like use them like whenever you want, even next year. So I decorated these dividers with some stickers that came with a planner, and also those dividers came with a planner, which is very practical as well. And my to-do list, on my to-do list I have some goals that I want to do. So it's like regular things like re-dye my hair, get my orders from Amazon, you know, like regular things, nothing that I have to do in the month. So next I have my budget section, which helps manage my expenses, because like I think I have to say it, but I have kind of a big shopping addiction and I'm trying to get rid of it. Budget section helps me like to write down my expenses and realize that I spent too much this week and be really careful. I'm just going to show you how I did that. So I made like those sheets also came with a planner, and so I like, this is the date, this is like the name of the expense, this is if it's like an expense or if it's like a revenue, and this is like how much you have in your account. So for example, if I spend like $50, I'm going to put the date, what I bought, how much it cost here, and the amount that I have in my account. And if I have like if I receive like my pay, I can put the date also. I put payday here, and here how much I received. So next one is my wish list, and first thing I have is my Pandora wish list. So I have all the charms that I want and the rings and the bracelet that I need to get. And here I also have my Pandora goals, and here I have like some other things from other brands that I need to get. And then I'm going to show you the monthly view. So this is for March, but I'm going to show you a plain one. So the printables came undated, which is really practical. And like for each day, like I can put like birthdays of my friends, so I won't forget. And you know, the printables are really cute. And I didn't want to get like some white plain sheets, because I'm really bad at decorating and it's like a lot of hard work. So thank God there's Etsy. So next I have my weekly view, which come in this pink layout, but there is more. Like when you buy a set of printables, like you're going to get like, I think, 2 or 3 different layouts. I choose the pink one, and like I can manage like everything that I do on each day. And this really bookmark, because I had some glitter paper, and I just like cut it the right size and put some stickers on it. And this is how the end of the planner looks like. I have glued some stickers that came also with the planner, as well as those cute little hearts here. And this cute charm also came with a package. So for this planner, I spent around the planner was around $13 or $15, and the set of printables were around like $10. So I think it's like really less expensive compared to some planners, like some brand planners like Kiki K that cost around like $50. And it can look really cute, even if it's not that expensive, you guys. And I know that the planner trend is over now. I think it started on YouTube like a few years ago, but I think that like I'm always like late on trends, and it's okay, guys. You don't have to be on track every time. Also, what I wanted to tell you guys is that planners come in many different sizes. The most common one is the A5 format, and I used to have one in A5, but I think that it's too big for me, so I prefer to go for the personal size, which is around like 17 centimeters to around 10 here, which is really more practical to put in your bag without it being too heavy. Thank you so much for watching my video, and also thank you for all the kind comments that I receive every day when I wake up and read your comments. You guys, yesterday I almost cried because like I received like a really nice comment, and it's amazing, you guys. I really want to do more videos for you, and even if I have only like 3 or 4 people that watch me every day, you know what, I'm still continuing to do videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.